All right, folks, today we are going to duplicate a Corbin Russwin System 70 key blank in the Black Widow. So first thing to do is to go to Standard, and let's click on C over here to bring up Corbin Russwin System 70. And this is a 6-cut key. All right, so software tells us we need to be on the S2 jaw on side B. So right now we've got the S1 jaw in there, so let's take this out and put that there and grab our our S2 jaw. All right, and then I like to put pressure left as I tighten the jaw in, just to be sure, and then it said side B, right? So I'm just gonna rotate this to side B. All right, so now we got to put in our key blank. All right, so let's insert the key blank into the jaw, tighten it down a little bit, excuse me, and then use the shoulder stop to slide the key forward to the shoulder, tighten it down, and there we go. All right, so back to the screen, let's click decode and decode. All right, so if it was correct, it should have done 152234, right? So let's switch the key blank to the blank and cut it. Okay, I'm going to take this out. Let's put in the key blank, the uncut key blank, tighten it in there, and we'll click cut. We're using the 2mm cutter for almost all things, and instead of contour cut, we're going to do the plunge cut, so it's more traditional looking cuts. All right. Here, let's put the shield on. I like to shake off the shavings, put the shield back on the wall. Oh, let's get the brush here and clean it off a little bit. And let's try it in the lock. There, turn smoothly.